Hey guys, it's SMV. I know this is crap quality. I even got a new garter, but it's gonna be a really short video. We're just gonna be doing a little pack opening because I just bought this pack. And yes, I know crap quality, right? But I know. I just feel this is lucky. Damn, it was a bad pack. What do we get? 72 CJ Miles. It's crap. Focus. Yep, bye.